Hello and welcome to Coding Bootcamp's Intro to Object-Oriented Programming course in Python. In this video, I'm just going to go over what the course covers, what you can learn from it, and a couple of the projects we'll be going over. If you are interested in taking this course or other courses related to Python or other programming languages, be sure to follow us on social media like Facebook, where you can keep up to date with all of our updates and news about the website. So my name is Daniel. I got my bachelor's degree in computer science from a college in upstate New York, SUNY Oneonta. I've been a math and coding tutor for 4 years, and I have experience with C++, Python, Java, SQL, and HTML. If you haven't taken this course, be sure to take our Intro to Python course, where we go over the very basic concepts you need to start coding in Python, like loops, variables, things like that, because this is a more advanced course. So these are some of the topics we're going to be going over in this course. We're going to talk about what is object-oriented programming in Python. Just to give a very simple explanation, it's about building a program around objects and then the relationships between those objects. There's other ways of programming, but that's the most basic definition of object-oriented programming. We'll learn about classes, class instances, inheritance, and extending the functionality of a parent class. So a class is kind of like a template for a programmer to create his own types of objects. So if in the intro course you might have seen like you define variables that are like integers, floats, or like strings. But in a class you can create a template where you can create your own objects with your own methods and your own attributes. It helps organize your programs a lot better and makes them work a lot more fluidly. We'll also learn about instances and instance attributes. So an instance is one object created from the class template. So if you have a car class, then a single car would be an instance of the car class. You'll also learn about inheritance, which is when a class uses another class. So it's the same thing when we say extending the functionality of a parent class. Inheritance is about the relationship between two different classes, where one class adopts the methods and the attributes or the variables of another class. So for example, you could have a vehicle class and you could have a car class, but a car is a type of vehicle, so you can have the car inherit the vehicle class, and then it adopts any methods and variables that go along with that vehicle class, and you don't need to rewrite code. So that's just the topics we'll be going over, and then these are the 3 projects we're going to be doing. We're going to create a car class with 3 subclasses. So we'll have a main car class, and then we'll have subclasses like convertible or sedan that are more specialized versions of that car class and have add extra methods and are more specialized. We'll have a guess the rolling dice program, which we have 2 players play against each other, where they guess a number between 1 and 6, and then we roll a die. And if the die number is the same as the number the player guessed, then that player scores a point. Then the winner is the one who has the most points at the end of the game. And then we're going to create a full blackjack game in Python, which is going to be the longest project. And it'll probably be 200 to 300 lines of code, and it's just going to play the casino game blackjack, but in a Python program. So we'll have classes represent the players and the player hands, and then also the deck and the cards. And we'll have players play against each other and the dealer, and then we're going to use a point system instead of money, because it's easier from a programming perspective. So I hope that explained what this course is about. Again, be sure to follow us on Facebook and any other social media, where you'll find updates about the courses we're going to be offering, and see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.